The next big change that we have coming down is the special program indicator changing from what used to be CA and or MX, so for Canada and Mexico in NAFTA, to the new S. And so while most of you will say, why does this matter? So it matters in a lot of different areas that maybe you're not quite anticipating. And it really gets into the details of, what your broker does on your behalf when they're filing your customs entry. And so if you look at the tariff book itself, you'll see there in the special rate column, currently you'll see CA and MX, and that's how you know that your product qualifies for, at that time, was NAFTA. Here shortly you will see an S, and that's how you know that tariff number, the item that's in that tariff number, could qualify for the new USMCA. Now obviously there's a lot that goes into that qualification, but a couple of points here where this is going to start to get really interesting is those of you who are involved in the reconciliation program. You have some work that was done under NAFTA because now we're in mid-year, and you have some new work getting ready to be done under USMCA. That's going to create additional legwork on your part. While the time frame of filing, specifically in reconciliation, doesn't change, it is changing because now we're going to have to file 2 entries, one for the old NAFTA and one for the new USMCA. So just kind of note those types of things and kind of think through anything that was NAFTA that has to do with the transmission of data to customs. We're now going to have to be very careful as we start to transmit these. Is this the old NAFTA or is this the new USMCA? And there is going to be a lot that we're going to all deal with as this continually moves forward through really the next 6 months until this gets a little bit cleaner come, in my opinion, January 1 of this coming year.
Can S be used for both countries, Mexico and Canada, or is there a distinguishing factor in those?
Good question. So S will definitely be used for both countries. That's something that's very different, right? In the old NAFTA program, if it was from Canada, we use CA. If it was from Mexico, we use MX. Now we're just going to be claiming S as USMCA.